In this tutorial, we're going to talk about subtraction of polynomials. To find the opposite or additive inverse of a polynomial, change the sign of every term. This is the same as multiplying by -1. So think of this as the opposite of 2x to the fifth, or you could say -1 times 2x to the fifth, and then do the same for the other terms. Here you can see that every term that's inside this parentheses is changed. Positive 2x to the fifth became negative 2x to the fifth. Positive x to the fourth became negative x to the fourth, and so on. But when you see a minus or negative in front of the parentheses, this just tells you to change the sign of each term inside. Here we have subtraction. To subtract, change the sign of each term in the polynomial that is being subtracted, and then add. So here we have a subtraction done horizontally. And because we have a minus in front of this second parentheses, we change the sign of each of these terms and then add. And on the right, we have a subtraction done vertically. So we'll change the sign of each term in this bottom parentheses and then add. In our first subtraction, we've changed the signs of each term in the second parentheses, and now we collect like terms, or add. First, we add our x squares together. When we add these, we get -2x squared. Next, we add our x terms together. Our result is positive 7x. Last, we add our two numbers together and get positive 11. Now let's look at our second subtraction, doing it vertically. First, we want to change the sign of each term in this parentheses that's on the bottom, because these are the terms that are being subtracted. The signs of each one of our bottom terms has been changed. This became -8x squared plus 9x plus 4, and now we just add or collect like terms. Again, we add our x squares together, and then our x's, and then our numbers, and we get -2x squared plus 7x plus 11. You can use either method when subtracting. You can subtract horizontally or do it vertically. When vertically, just make sure to keep your like terms in line.